Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be stuffing Aiden's cash binder. We're going to be adding some cash to his envelopes for his sinking funds. And then guys, I want to go ahead and show you guys my new cash tray. I had posted this on my Instagram and my TikTok and you guys were like, well, where did you get that cash tray from? I love it because it is like super compact. It has a lid also, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 compartments, and y'all look at the color of it. Y'all know I like pink, but the only thing about this is that I had to get a replacement because right here it was a crack here. So and because it was Amazon, I was pretty much okay with getting a replacement. So because they're pretty good with the customer service. So when you do get it, just make sure you check to make sure that these are pretty much good. And if not, reach out to Amazon and they will correct it and send it back, because the packaging, that's the only thing I have to say, is the packaging that they ship it in is, it's almost like, I'm not sure what they're thinking about putting the packaging this in there, but it was super cute. So I was just like, I'm just gonna deal with it and I'm just gonna try to get a replacement. So that's just my only thing with that, and I do have it linked in the description box. You can find it in my Amazon storefront, so I do have it there. And actually it comes with 2. I did try to look to see if they were only 1 a piece, but it comes as 2 as a pack. So that's the only thing. If you only need 1, it only comes in 2 packs. And y'all probably can hear Aiden on his game in the background. I didn't ask him to cut it down, but you know how little kids are. But we're gonna let him just roll with it and have fun and do what he's doing. Okay, so let's go ahead and count the cash that we are actually going to be stuffing for today. And a lot of times, like, I don't stuff a lot of cash, but I feel super good that I have just any cash to stuff. So today we are actually going to be stuffing $125 for Aiden's cash binder. So we are going to go ahead and give this cash tray a try and see how this thing goes. All right, so we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25. All right, so we got $125. And I just like how small and the money fits perfectly inside of there. And then if, like, just like if I was in this room and I needed to move to another room, or if I wanted to pretty much just set it up for tomorrow, it might need some little felt feet on here, but I think my desk is a little bit uneven. That's why it's like moving. But if I wanted to take it and pick it up and, like, you know, say like, hey, I need to move it somewhere, or if I want to set up for tomorrow's video, I can just basically put it in here and have it all ready. But yeah, I think I might put something on the front of it, or might get a sticker or something like that. All right, so enough talking about that. All right, and I do have my figures pretty much written down here. I just have it in this little teeny binder here, and I just have how much we're going to actually be stuffing for Aiden's binder. And let's just go ahead and hop in and let's get started. All right, so for savings, we are actually going to do $40. We are actually going to be doing 2 20s for Aiden's binder for his savings. And y'all, I might go ghost for a little bit because, like I said, I don't know if I'm going to be posting anything, or if I might do some videos, like, to, I guess, what do you call, schedule, preload them. But I might just chill and not even schedule any videos and just wait till I come back. So we have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. So we got $3,174. Because, like I said, I want to relax today. Y'all, the weather was like way awesome. It was like super warm, and we actually got to go out because Aiden had to get school supplies. And this is a little buddy's list. I know this thing is so tore up because we kept folding it, trying to figure out what we were going to get. But this is like his school list. So I did use the money out of here from his school envelope. So this was awesome because I was able to go straight to this little binder and I was able to pull out the cash for that. All right, so next we have clothes. So clothes, we're going to do $20, and we're going to add just one $20 bill. And that will be 20, 25, 30, 35, 36. So that is 36. And I went and got Aiden a slew of shorts. And so he should be good for pretty much the whole summer. So they don't come past his knees. So He's not gonna be scooting on his knees, so we're not gonna have to worry about him, right? Hopefully. All right, so next we have shoes. So shoes will get, I said show shoes. What in the world? So shoes will be getting $30. So we're gonna do 120 and 110. And that's what we got going on there. All right, so we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65. So we got 65 for shoes, and Aiden goes through shoes like I don't know what. Like, he tears them up, and I think he drags like the front of his feet. So basically the front of it is always gone. School was the one that we went and got school supplies for today, and I have to make sure that I scan my fetch rewards. And I didn't do anything through Rakuten because I actually went to the dollar store to get some stuff, but I ended up going to Walmart, and I was just like, I'm already in Walmart. I'm not going to go through the Rakuten app to buy some school glue and some crayons. So we just went to Walmart and just went ahead and bought that. So for school, we're going to be adding $15. And this is, I guess it's all over the place because I just stuck the money in there really quick when we were at the register. So we have that. All right, so we got 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. All right, so we got $80 for school. And like I said, these sinking funds, they're not going to be a lot all the time because I'm like constantly using them, but I do have it where I save enough so that when I do need to get something out of it, I do have enough in there, so it works out. But these in the back are pretty much new, and as you can see, I did end up putting some more labels, and all I did for my labels, I'll show you guys what I used. I just basically used this machine, and I did post it on my Instagram, my TikTok. It's just from Sam's, and I do have it linked in the description box in my Amazon storefront. It's basically, they give you, when you buy it, they give you a white one, they give you a clear one, but I used all of the clear free tape that came with it, so I just used the white one. So that's all I used to put for the labels for that, because I had wrote them on there, but I just flipped it over and I just put this on there, and they do actually pill up pretty easily, which I was kind of shocked. So that's what I ended up using for my labels. All right, so we have bath and hair. So this is where Aiden has his hair products. So and he has a lot of them, because last time I got some, they were like buy 3 and get like $5 or something, and I had a coupon and I had some extra bucks. So we're gonna do $15. So we're gonna do a 10 and a 5. And so we have 10, 15, 20. So we got $20 for that. That should be enough for when you have, because I think he has 2 more bottles, because I use the what is it called, Shea Butter Johnson curly cream. It's like in an orange tube. So next we have Fun Money, and Fun Money is just for Aiden just to go get stuff when he's good at school. And I still have this raggedy dollar in here, y'all, and that's just going to be $5. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so we're going to put $9 back in there, and there we go. All right, so we are done with stuff in Aiden's binder. That was easy and simple, and that was just cash that I had allocated to go into his binder to make sure that his stuff that he needs is pretty much taken care of. And y'all, so how did the cash tray do? Did it do okay for your liking? Right? So yeah, I really do like this little cash tray. It's actually really nice. It's really compact, and you can put it, you can even see how it's sitting right there. That's even cool right there. I can do it that way. I'll do it this way. But yeah, so like I said, I got 2 of these in the pack, and I got it from Amazon. So like I said, it's in my storefront. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for chilling with me. If you have not already followed me on my Instagram or TikTok, because this is where I show things like this that I get, and if I find cool things, I always post it there. Make sure you follow me there. It's called APinkeClothlife, and if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and like, and share, and comment, and because you guys know I do appreciate that. And then also, I think that's all I have to say. I'm about to say something else. I don't know what I'm gonna say. All right, so and then like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.